As coronavirus cases continue to surge in the United States, with deaths reaching 1,000 a day, President Donald Trump, who critics have accused of downplaying the threat of the virus, tried to say in an interview excerpt from an August 3rd episode of Axios on HBO that the U.S. death toll is not as bad as it seems.
The United States is lowest in numerous categories. We're lower than the world.
Lower than the world?
Lower than
what is that?
Europe.
In what?
Look.
In what?
Take a look. Right here. Here's case death.
Oh, you're doing death as a proportion of cases. I'm talking about death as a proportion of population. That's where the US is really bad. Much worse than South Korea, Germany, etc.
You can't do that. You have
Why
to go,
can't I do that?
You have to go by where. Look, here is the United States. You have to go by the cases. The cases.
Why not as a proportion of population?
When we have somebody, what it says is when you have somebody that has where there's a case.
Oh, okay.
The people that live from those cases.
It's surely a relevant statistic to say if the US has X population and X percentage of death of that population versus South Korea.
You have to go by the cases.
Well, look at South Korea, for example. 51 million population, 300 deaths. It's like, it's crazy.
You don't know that.
According to a Reuters tally, the virus has killed more than 156,000 Americans since February, the highest death toll of any country in the world. In the Axios interview, Trump acknowledged the high U.S. death toll, adding, quote, "It is what it is." Trump also said the outbreak was, quote, "under control as much as you can control it," and again insisted that increased testing in the U.S. accounts for the increase in cases, an assertion disputed by health experts who say expanded testing accounts for some but not all of the growth in cases.